Today we're going to read a story, The Little Bad Wolf by Sam Bowring and Lachlan Creagh. Oh, look at the pictures. What can you see on there? I see a rainbow. I see a castle, a wizard. I see a sign on the fence saying, "Beware the wolf." The little bad wolf was creeping along the street, looking for ways to make trouble. Trouble was his favourite thing to make. Gra, gra, ha, ha! Gra, ha, ha! I wonder what you can see here. Look at him trying to make all the trouble there. When the little bad wolf came to Mrs. Pig's house, he could hear her humming in the back garden. Aha, he thought, I'll make her squeal with fright. Let's see what you can see. Can you see Mrs. Pig? And look, she's hanging out the washing. And look at him there. Gra, gra! Such a tasty pig you are. I'm going to eat you up. Gra, ha, ha! Oh my, said Mrs. Pig. What a loud growl you have. All the better to scare you with, said the little bad wolf. It's a good thing you're just a little bad wolf. Much too little to cause me any trouble. Clang. Can you see her slamming the door there? And look at his head. Do you think he's happy? I'm not sure. Mrs. Pig, let me in, yowled the little bad wolf. Nope, said Mrs. Pig. I'd rather comb the hairs on my chinny chin chin. Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in. The little bad wolf huffed and he puffed and he puffed and he huffed, but all he managed to do was rattle the screen door a bit. You can't blow my house in, said little bad wolf, said Mrs. Pig. Do you think it's made from straw? Now shoot, I have chores to do. Can you see here? Look at his face. Look, he's angry. The little bad wolf was angrier than a bear with no porridge. Gra, gra, gra! There has got to be some trouble I can make around here. Then he spotted the clothes hanging on Mrs. Pig's clothesline. Aha! He huffed and he puffed and blew the washing right off the line. Gra, ha, ha! Gra, ha, ha! I can see a troll and a castle. I wonder what land we must be in. The next day, the little bad wolf went back to Mrs. Pig's house. Gra, gra, gra! Oh dear, said Mrs. Pig. I hope you aren't here again to try and eat me or blow my house in. The little bad wolf took a great big deep breath. He huffed and he puffed and he puffed and he huffed and he blew all the leaves off Mrs. Pig's nice, neat pile. Gra, gra! I wonder who is with the man. Can you see? I wonder who that is. Do you know? Has a long wooden nose. The next day, the little bad wolf watched as Mrs. Pig went to the post box. My, bless my thigh, said Mrs. Pig. What a lot of mail. By my curly tail, look at a postcard from Mr. Tortoise. I wonder if he won the race. The little bad wolf huffed and he puffed and he puffed and he huffed and he blew the letters all the way down the street. Gra! Gra! These pictures It started a story. I wonder who you can see here. What characters can you see? Can you see Mrs. Pig chasing her mail? I wonder who that wolf is. The one with the little bad wolf? The big wolf? Let's find out. Hi, Grandad, said the little bad wolf. Hello, Mr. Wolf, said Mrs. Pig. I hope you're not here to eat me. No, I've retired, said the big bad wolf. I'm too old to be chasing little pigs and dressing up like grandmas these days. I'm also got tired of that woodsman trying to cut off my head with his axe all the time. But I hear my grandson has been making some trouble. Rah, ha, ha, giggled the little bad wolf. Mrs. Pig could tell the little bad wolf was proud of all the trouble he had caused, so she smiled shyly. Trouble, Mr. Wolf? Oh no, he hasn't made any trouble at all. In fact, he blew the dust off my screen door and helped me dry my washing and spread leaves over my lawn to help it grow. And he actually got rid of my junk mail. He's actually a nice little wolf. I had no idea, said the big bad wolf. I'll send him over tomorrow to help you with some more chores. And the little bad wolf said, I wonder what he's going to say. Creagh, creagh, creagh. Let's see. Creagh. That is the end of our story. What other characters from other fairy tales did you see in that story?